Hello and welcome to this next video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a procurement workflow. In the previous video, I had introduced the procurement module to you and told you what you will learn from the entire series. So this is the second in the series and I'm logged into the software already. So like all workflows are within Swift, you can access them from the HR module, then HR settings. So I'm going there right now. Scroll to the bottom and you see procurement steps here in addition to all the other workflows and steps. So I'm going to click procurement steps and you can see we've not created any step at this point. So let's get started creating a step. So we're going to create a 4-step process. The first step, we assume someone from budget control needs to just view the request. Then we'll have someone who does the approval. We'll have someone who, let's make it a 3-step process, and someone who does the vendor selection. So I click create new. And what's the name of this step? So I'm just going to say budget check. Budget check. Yes. So it's the first in the order. I'm going to try to assign it to the same team member so that we don't need to log in and out while testing it. So it's important I explain what these rules are. So you see, view only enables whoever is in a particular stage in the workflow to just simply view. He or she doesn't necessarily need to carry out any action. It's just to either proceed to the next step or reject. Then approval is the person that approves the procurement request. So once that person grants approval, vendors can then be notified and can also see that the tenders are all open. Then vendor selection is to enable you, whoever is assigned to this role, to choose the vendor after evaluating all the bids that have been placed. So our budget check is going to be view only, and then what will be the default note for the person carrying out the check? So we can just say budget check. Okay, so he doesn't need to type anything. Do you want to enable email and SMS notification to this staff here? I'll just say no for now, and then we can type a message if we were to enable this. So I'll just put a dot here to just deceive it that there's some message that will be sent, but we've disabled messages, both email and SMS. So I click create to add the first step. And let's move to the second stage. The second step is going to be approval. So I'll just call it approval. It's the second in the order. I'll still select the same person, and the role is going to be approval. I can say approval granted. Okay, and bid open. I have that in auto suggest already. Put a dot here and create. And I'll create the last step, which is vendor selection. So I can say vendor selection. Select the same staff, and then vendor selection, default notes, vendor selected, and purchase order sent. Put a dot here too and click create. So I have just created a 3-step process. So let me explain what happens here. Once a procurement request is being made, first, before it hits this workflow, normally it has to go through first to the line manager of that particular staff. After the line manager okays it, it goes to the head of department before it hits this. And it's also important to note here that Swift Cloud ERP has a way of bypassing the line manager as well as the head of department. That's assuming it's a senior officer or a senior staff that's carrying out or making the request in the first place. So that's all. In this video, I've shown how to create a procurement workflow. We just created a 3-step procurement workflow. And in the next video, I'll be showing you how to create a procurement category as well as how to add vendors to a procurement category. See you in the next video.